The right way to always win at Tic Tac Toe depends on whether you're going first or second. If you're going first, put your first X in one of the corners. If the other player puts their first O anywhere other than the center, you can win every time. Just put your second X in another corner so there's an empty space between your two X's. Then, on your next move, put your third X in another corner. Now you'll have two opportunities to win, and your opponent will only be able to block one of them. If your opponent does put their first O in the center, follow the same strategy to either win or tie. If you're going second, there's no guaranteed way to win unless your opponent makes a mistake, but you can play defense to force a tie. If your opponent plays their first O in a corner, always play your first X in the center, so there's a chance of a tie. Then, watch your opponent's moves and try to block them from getting 3 in a row.